a wedding. It's the start of a beautiful journey. A promise whispered beneath the sky, sealed with faith, carried by time. May their love shine beyond today, endless, pure, and eternal.